Let's talk about turning a number into scientific notation. So if I wanted to turn the top number, I'm going to take this number and I'm going to turn it into scientific notation, which means this number has to be between 1 and 10. Again, I'm going to say that it can equal 1, it cannot equal 10. So in order for me to do that, I have to move the decimal place that's over here. And since I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place values. So this number becomes 8.34806. So I made the number smaller by 5 place values. I took away 5 place values. So in order to keep the value of the number exactly the same, I'm going to multiply that times 10. And since I took away 5 place values here, I'm going to add 5 place values there. So it would be 10 to the 5th power. Okay, so the -5 and the +5 balance out to 0. All right, I haven't changed the value of this number. I'm just rewriting it in a different way. So that's how we would take a standard number, that's what we call the standard notation, and turn it into scientific notation. This is scientific notation. This is standard notation, and this is scientific notation. So let's look at another one. I'm going to take a small number. So this one's in standard notation. We're going to turn it into scientific notation. All right. So that means that the number has to be between 1 and 10. So again, I'm going to move this decimal place. 1, 2, 3. Notice I move it here because 3 is between 1 and 10. So this becomes 3.456. Okay, so I added 3 place values. If I add 3 place values here, I'm going to multiply it by 10 and subtract 3 place values. And it looks like that. Notice, +3 and -3 add to 0. -5, +5 add to 0. The net effect is 0. We're just rewriting the number. So again, this is standard notation. This is scientific notation. Notice it's being multiplied by 10 to a power, and this number here is between 1 and 10. It can equal 1, but it cannot equal 10.